plain, you reach the end of the table drains. It's planted country. The shearing sheds and bending backs, Australian dreams under battered hats. It's planted country. A beat-up truck, a tin-roof shack, a loving girl in these two hands, living, breathing, working this hallowed ground. On a spinning patch of rock and dirt, center of my universe, planted country. Flatbed truck, harvesters whipping up a cloud of dust. It's planted country. It's 303s and 4x4s. They're all hard, wide country boys. It's planted country. A beat-up truck, a tin-roof shack, a loving girl in these two hands, living, breathing, working this hallowed ground. On a spinning patch of rock and earth, center of my universe, planted country. Cranking it out, come fire, a flood, a drought, with my loving girl, a tin roof shack, a beat up truck, and these two